Brothers, this is true emergency video. We see Bitcoin right now breaking all the major resistance line. We see we broke the daily 20 moving average, weekly and monthly moving average. What's right now important to watch is that we are breaking clearly and closing above the monthly 20 moving average, because we closed already above. But I would like to see a really clear candle, another one clearly closing above. What's right now also looks very nice is the Bitcoin funding rate. You see right now we are negative. Only on Binance we are positive, but on Bybit and all other ones we are negative. So this speaks for another bounce to the upside. What is also important for us to watch, when we can say with confidence that we will see further pump, is if we are opening the VRVP. And on the VRVP we see there is a lot of resistance coming at 30,400. So what I'm expecting right now, expecting at least right now that we see a pump to around the level of 30k, so 29,800 approximately. So still a pump opportunity of 6%, still a long opportunity in case we're not breaking back below monthly 20 moving average, right? Another bullish thing is what we see right now here, and I'm coming also to my trades in a second, and what I'm doing with them. Another bullish thing is that we see here we have a clear double bottom, right? And this double bottom price target you measure always from the top to the downside, and the technical price target is in case we are breaking this huge resistance line, which I told you already before, 30,500, 30,400. The technical price target is around 30,000, 35,500. So this would be from here on a pump right now approximately 25%. This is amazing, right? What is important right now to watch is the most important thing is the total crypto market cap, because we are in this symmetrical triangle as you see right now, and we are getting squeezed. The more we are getting squeezed, the more brutal will be the up pump to the upside or to the downside. Nobody knows, but you see we are getting squeezed here right now. And as I told you here, you measure also from the top to the downside the symmetrical triangle. If we break it to the upside, technical price tag is around $1.4 trillion total crypto market cap, which means, in my opinion, clearly that we will see Bitcoin go to 35k. So, but as I told you, the most important thing is that we're breaking 30,500. So expecting right now further pump to the upside. We see the dollar is getting very strong, but facing here some resistance line at 106.89. We are getting rejected here right now. What would be here nice to see is that we are breaking the support line to the downside, because if the dollar is breaking to the downside, then the weaker the dollar, the stronger the Bitcoin. The stronger the dollar, the weaker Bitcoin. So what we want to get here rejected and see Bitcoin breaking below the yellow line to the downside. We see also the S&P 500 broke a major resistance line, which is not nice, because S&P 500 and Bitcoin are connected to each other. So, but we are touching right now here this support line. You see, it's a major support line which goes back to, I mean, for forever, 2021. And if we see here, in case we see here a bounce to the upside, what I'm expecting, so at least to our resistance line to 4,600 approximately, then we see also pump in Bitcoin. So right now everything, wait a minute, switch back. So everything right now speaks for a pump to at least around 29,800. So amazing long opportunities, not only for Bitcoin, but also for example Aave. I still my Aave long position. My Aave position is still $300 in a loss, 1.6% in loss. However, I will hold it, because this position I hold for months right now, and I will hold it through, because in my opinion we will see, I mean, it's only a matter of time, we will see the market go up. And right now is the time to buy your favorite altcoin or go into a long-term long position, but only a position which is also where you're quite confident that it will not get stopped out, right? And a lot of people forgot also about the CME gap, right? Because we see here we didn't close the CME gap, which is still open at 35k, and this is exactly our big price target of the W, which we formed on the weekly candle. So it's very, very likely, it's not a guarantee, but it's very likely that we will see pump of Bitcoin of 25k. And if we see pump of Bitcoin of 25k, what we can expect also the altcoins getting, I mean, they're getting not to the moon, they're getting back to the Mars, because you see here we are in falling wedge right now, ETH versus Bitcoin. And in case we are breaking it to the upside, what is more likely, because we are in a bullish pattern, the technical price target would be here the top of the wedge at 0.08. And if Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, then usually altcoins outperform Bitcoin, and we saw all this stuff happen already in the history. As soon as we had a falling wedge or a bullish pattern, we saw a huge breakout to the upside, right? I mean, here we had a big W and we saw a breakout to the upside in June 2021. This is also when we saw also breakout of altcoins. So right now, watch out. We are about to retest here, and I'm expecting not only pump in Bitcoin, I'm expecting also a pump of the whole total crypto market cap, and especially also altcoins, right? So, Latans, if you have any questions, write me down below. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.